So now we'll look at page states. So here we have a simple page where you have a text widget here and 2 button widgets. One of the ideas is that if we click on the red button, this here will change to red, and if we click onto the purple, it'll go back to purple. Okay, so let's first set up the page state. So we click on the page, and then here we go to this button here, state management, add a field, and then we can call that is red, and then we set it to a boolean. Boolean just means true or false. If you wanted to, you could also set it to a string or a number by putting a double, but let's put it as a boolean for now. And then here we have to put the initial field value, so we'll put it as, if we set it to true, then it would be initially red, but we want to set it to false so that it starts with purple. Perfect. Confirm. And now we go to the button. When we click the button, we want to change the state. So we click here. So here we're on a normal panel, but we click on actions, and on actions we can choose state, update page state here. We have it there. Then we click on is red, which is a page variable, and we set the value to true. Perfect. And now we do the same for our second button, add action, and then page state, update page state, add a field, again that is red, and we'll set it to false this time. Perfect. So that's nice now. And the last thing we want to do is set the color here. So we click on it, and then here we have a background color that is purple, but we want to change this. We click on this little toggle here, and then we put conditional value, and if the page state is red, then we want to set this to red. Perfect. And else we want to put it back to the primary. Awesome. So that's it. Let's test this out. Okay, so if we click on red, we see this turns to red, and purple, it goes back to purple. Perfect. So that's it for page state.